To install apps on Google Pixel Watch 3, first of all, you will have to click on the Crown Control button and go into the Google Play Store, which is located just right here. Right now, after loading, we are able to we have to click on the search, and now we can search for apps manually by using keyboard or by using our voice recognition. So in my case, I'm gonna click here, Facebook, and click on the switcher if you want to search. As you can see, the Facebook is not here, but I'm got some other apps, like for example the WhatsApp Manager, Gmail, birthday calendar. So let's say that I want to actually install WhatsApp. I have to click here, I have to click on the installation button, and let's do this one more time. And now, as you can see, I'm downloading WhatsApp Messenger, and after the download will be finished, I will be able to find this application at the bottom of the apps list. And here on the main screen there's also the downloading icon. It just disappeared right now, so we'll actually the downloading is finished, and right now there is the installation process. And that will be all. Thanks for watching. Right now please subscribe.